Well, day 2 was pretty dadgum exciting. Storm came through, knocked out the power. So we lost power, and not just power, we lost the water pretty much. So it's been an exciting day. But the linemen are out there doing their job. Thank you for the linemen. Appreciate their work. They're working on getting it done. There's about 4,500 people out, and they're working on it. Should be back up and running by tomorrow morning sometime. So y'all take care. Have a blessed night. Sometimes you just want to sit here and listen. So listen. Well, day 3 started. We still out of power and water, but they are supposed to be getting it on this afternoon sometime. So we're gonna be okay. But started out with a hard rain this morning. Other than that, all is good. Hey, I'm out here on vacation. I don't care. Just no more rain. That'll be fine. Y'all have a good day. Well, good night, folks. The day has come and the day has went. Started out nice and stormy. Power was still off until, shoot, just a little bit ago, and now we got it. So, been like boondocking the last few nights, but we good now. Y'all have a blessed evening, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Welcome to day 3 and good morning. Hope y'all are doing well. It's a beautiful start to the day. We got all power. There's no rain in the forecast. Oh, it's gonna be a beautiful day. See y'all in a little while. Oh, best part of waking up. You know I got it. Coffee in my cup. See y'all around. As we end this video, y'all like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a blessed day.